Hey, I've been working on a video game for a while now, mostly working on teaching myself how to even write video games. I've been a professional software developer for ages, but have not really done much video game stuff since college. And things have changed a lot since then. So, spent most of last year learning Unreal Engine 4, and before that, kind of in the middle actually, Unity. I'm back to Unreal Engine 4. Um, and I've finally started the project for real now. And I'm trying to record little devalongs, I'm calling them, where I'm going to go for like 30 minutes to an hour and do some development work and let people follow along. Um, let's see. So, what I left off at last time was I had started a test level for what will be basically a very simple little orbital colony, about the smallest you can get, and still have that. It actually basically is the smallest you can get. Still have one Earth gravity. So this is where we left off. So you can get the equivalent of gravity basically by taking a can and rotating it, and you walk on the inside. Uh, so the most famous examples of this would be from the movie 2001, that Space Station 5 there. Werner von Braun, who did the basically did our Apollo program, he was proposing one of them as well back in the 50s and the 60s, which never got built. It's been a concept for, I think, since like early 1900s. It's been around forever. So you can see this is a pretty big circle, but it's not huge. Like, you know, comfortably a couple hundred to maybe a couple thousand people. I'm not sure exactly in this. So this is 60 yards across and 225 yards in diameter. And you can rotate this at a rate such that you'll get one Earth gravity and you won't get sick from spinning too fast or other differential gravity or that kind of problem. Um, yeah. So this is basically the smallest you can have people actually live permanently in, because there seems to be a lot of problems with microgravity. You might be able to go smaller if humans are okay with like half gravity or something, but we don't really have any good scientific proof that that's true. And even if that is true, it's probably preferable to just have 1g, like normal Earth gravity. So yeah, that'll probably be something we learn whenever we actually start building these colonies, right? Like, is Mars gravity okay? Do you just need some gravity, or do you actually need Earth normal gravity to have everything work right? Like, lots of stuff starts breaking down at microgravity. Your body's not designed. Your body is designed assuming gravity works, and all sorts of strange things don't. In that case, anyway. So the problem I've got now that I'm trying to solve is, so I've got this can imported and I'm walking on the inside of it, but I'm walking, the gravity in the game is still pointing just down. And Unreal is not really designed to think about this because, oh, it's not really. This is kind of a weird edge case, honestly. The closer your game is to a first person shooter, the closer Unreal is to what you, you need for it. But so yeah, as you can see, I'm excuse me, I'm walking up the can. This is as far as I can actually get, basically, and I'm basically, it's like I'm walking up a hill, and I can't get up the rest of the way. Whereas what I should be doing is I should be, this should be the ground, and I should be walking up, and I should be able to walk up at the top. So let's look at this. I have been where is that? is this one, Character Dynamic Gravity by, I have no idea how to say your name right, man, but this looks like, sorry about that, Ciao, Felipe, Moura, Piexicito, I don't even know. But I will link to his YouTube videos. I'm going to try this plugin. I think I had to buy it. I think it was like 10 bucks, 20 bucks, something like that. But it's definitely, and he's got an example project. So one of the nice things about Unreal is Unity 2, Unreal and Unity, those two are so big and popular that you do get a lot of plugins and add-on content and things like that. So this guy, he looks like he was trying to make a Sonic, Sega Genesis Sonic clone, and he was using the gravity for basically running around on the inside of the pipes. So that's kind of what I'm doing almost. So I'm going to see if this works. So I'm going to install this to the engine to 4.26 is what I'm using now. Install. I previously had this in 4.25 when I was playing with it, but I wasn't successful in actually getting this working, but I got distracted, so it wasn't really the plugin's fault, it was me getting distracted. Okay, yeah, so like he's walking on this ball. I think you can basically, is there no more pictures? I thought there's more pictures than that. So I thought I saw documentation. I didn't think it was that difficult, but anyway. But I haven't tried it yet, so we shall see. Hey, okay. So basically, I need to figure this out. So here's the guy's YouTube. Felipe Moura. Okay, that's the shorter name of his name. I thought he had docs, I thought, somewhere. So the life of a modern developer in general is a lot of trying to figure out how to use some plugin that somebody else made or some library. Oh, project download. That's what I want. That's not what I want. I know I saw documentation for it somewhere. I last was messing with this around November or December, and I seem to have forgotten how to do it. Plugins. Does it actually have plugin? This might be it. Dur gravity. Let's try that. I must restart. Okay. Restart. Actually, don't know if that's the right plugin because there's another one I had that I was looking at. Did I download? Yeah. I'll load actually their test. Is it starting? Yeah. So that's what I'll do. I did download that link a while back that he did back in the 4.22 days. So that's a little bit old, but not horrible. Maybe a year ago. 2 years ago. And I'll just look at his example project. I'm trying to remember how to do this. I might have selected the wrong plugin. And if this one doesn't work, then I'll try that other plugin. And if that doesn't work, then I get to write my own code for Gravity, which will be quite a distraction, I'm sure. All right, is this it? Is this it? Hit play. Oh. Yeah. See, we've got nice loops for you to run around in because they are basically sonic. Where is the example level? There we go. So under at the very top of the dynamic gravity character test, there's a test map. Oops. I think I already built this out. Or maybe not. I guess I didn't because I don't get these stupid tooltip things. So let's build. And let's play. Okay, I've got a guy. Now, can I just walk on this? Yeah. This is exactly what I'm trying to accomplish, but much bigger circle. Can't seem to jump. Oh yeah, I can jump. Okay. There we go. Yeah. So this is basically what I want to have happen. Now, how is this actually working? Okay. So the map. First off, did I enable the right the correct plugin, I should say. Yeah, I don't want that. I could probably just import my big loop in here and apply whatever it is. What is this? Gravity field. Cylindropensel. I'm not sure what that means. Let's see. Loop big. Here we go. Loop big is a static mesh actor. But how does it work with the gravity? Let's look at plugins. I may have turned on the wrong plugin. Oh, dynamic gravity character. Yep, that is turned on. Is that what I had turned on in this one? Plugins. Grav. Oh, I enabled the wrong one. There you go. I need to enable this one. My bad. I'll restart my project. All right. So it is dynamic gravity character, and make sure it's that Felipe Moura PX enabled. And this one's that other one that I'm going to look at if this doesn't work. Although this looks like it's already working, I just need to figure it out. Okay, so my maps, this map. Okay. I'm going to duplicate this and call it gravity test gravity ring. I'm going to let this build out because I don't have to build out. Let's go back to theirs, wherever theirs went. So he enabled that plugin. So yeah, dynamic gravity character, child lead, blah, blah, blah. And okay. How's this working? So like if I select loop big, it there's the stack mesh, there's the material. Where's so it's not an actor, it's just a so there's the gravity field. But where's the one for the ring? Actually, don't even know what those gravity fields do. So what's this do? So I walk into this field. Oh, interesting. Can I get out of this thing? Yeah. And I guess there's this field around a cone. Field. Oh, that field's going this way, but how is this loop working? So these are the blueprints, Unreal blueprints, which is the visual scripting language. This is what I had been using for Unreal for a while, most of the last year, but I'm going with C++ as my main thing. Although I think you can basically use both. So, yeah. At begin overlap of a gravity field, you do what? You add actor to the field. Each tick, you play impulse. Okay, so there must be a gravity field associated with that. So there's this one. Where other gravity fields do we have? There's that one. There's that one. There's that one. Okay. Loop small. Loop big. Well, let's start off with just trying to add in their level another gravity field. Um, Now let me actually, I want to make sure this works. So I think what happens is this box will suck me up to that, and that'll become the floor. So we'll get upside down. Yep. Okay, that's cool. And if I do this, what happens? Okay. So that's this, that's this. So assuming this one will suck me. Yep. Whoa. Oh, that's cool, actually. Because it's actually, yeah. So that's how that works. But this, how's that working? How is this working? So it's only working when I'm actually walking on it. Which makes sense if you're trying to write Sonic. But does this work for other surfaces too? Can I like, no? This might not be what I want. It's similar to what I want. Oh, hey, so here's a gravity cylinder. I can crouch. Okay, I don't know how it decides that this mesh lets me walk on it versus not. But I'm gonna do this. That's a gravity field. I'm gonna copy, paste it, and just like move it here and here, and hit build. Put you down there and play. So I've added another gravity field here, which will just, okay, that's funny. Um, all right, so this gravity field somehow knows to be a box. Oh, okay, here we go. This gravity field is a cube and has an element that is a gravity field. Okay, so I bet I can, therefore, let's do it. Let's import from Blender this. Well, actually, I'm going to try this over. I'm going to try duplicating exactly this now in this level. So, yep, I am in the gravity ring test. Okay. And now can I add gravity field? I guess I need to copy that in. I think I should be able to just Copy that over. No. Export. Agree. There you go. Let's don't save. So there's an M gravity field, and then there's a K. Okay. Oh, I don't know if I stick this in content. Let's try that. Yeah. Okay. So there's a blueprint, and there's a material. So let me save everything. And add this to source control. Yeah, let's save that. Going to import dynamic gravity. All right. So that means I've got a gravity field. How do I actually throw this in? Or just, I guess I'd throw this one in. Yeah. Yep. Here we go. And then material. Oh, and it's a sphere. I want to do actually, yeah, let's do the cube. And let's make it bigger. These buttons. Scale R. Let's make it like that, like that, like that. Okay. Build that. And play. There's my gravity field. What's this do? Is this doing anything to me? Maybe I need to rotate this. And then move. No. like if the gravity's already throwing me down, then I'm in the wrong direction. All right, play. What does this do? Does this throw me out the wrong way? This isn't doing anything. This isn't doing anything. Let's look at gravity field. What's this thing doing? At begin overlap, add actor to field. If it's a character, stop jumping. For each loop, enable point gravity. Okay. So am I missing something otherwise? This plugin might not work for me, or I'm just being dumb. Am I just being dumb, or is there something wrong with the plugin? Static mesh is a cube, and I'm using a 1 meter cube. Gravity field, point gravity, linear gravity, directional gravity. Oh, hey, here we go. This is probably it. I probably need to enable one of these gravity things. So directional gravity, impulse. Where's my gravity line? Directional gravity. And that's just a directional impulse. X negative 1,000. Okay, that's how this works. Now let's hit play. So now I expect to be feeling an impulse at an intersect, but I'm not. Maybe I need to save and build. Maybe I need to do something to my character as well. Let's see. Did they do anything weird to their character? So that's static. Yeah, 1 second. What?